This week in maths we're going to be learning about coordinates. So your learning question for today says, can I begin to understand how to use coordinates? And coordinates are points on a grid. They can sometimes be shown using dots, letters, or sometimes even pictures. And to find coordinates, there are a few things that we need to know. The first thing we need to know is what these are called. These lines that have our numbers on. So the one that goes across the horizontal axis is called the x-axis. So that's that part there. And the vertical axis, one that goes up into the air, is called the y-axis. And to find points on a grid, we must remember to always start by going across and then going up. And a little way to help you to remind it is along the corridor. So we're going along and then up the stairs to go up. So let me quickly show you how we do it. So here I've got some points plotted on my grid and it says, are these coordinates correct? So A, and it says the coordinate is 1, 4. So I'm going to start by going across to 1 and then up to 4, and that's where A is. So I know that that one must be correct. Let's have another go with B then. So across 9 and up 2. I've not got anything there, so B is incorrect. C says across 4 and up 6, so across 4 and up 6, and I've got C there, so that one's correct. D is across 8 and up 9, so let's find 8, and then let's go up to 9. Oh, and I've not got anything there, so that one must be incorrect. E is across 8 and up 2, so let's have a go going across 8 and then up 2. That's where E is, so that one's correct. And then finally F, so we're going to go across 3 and up 1, across 3, oh, but we haven't gone up any, so that one must be incorrect. Okay, so the next one then. Find these coordinates in order. What word do they spell? So I'm going to start with 6 across and 3 up. 6 across, 3 up. My first letter is E. Then we've got 4 across and 8 up. 4 across going all the way up to 8 is A. Then we've got 5 across, but we're not going up any. So that one's R. 9 across and 7 up, so again 9 across, 7 up is L, and our final one then is 7 across, all the way to 7 and then up to 5, which is a Y. So our coordinates helped us to spell the word early. Okay, next one then. So complete the coordinates below and plot any missing points on the grid. So I've got some coordinates for this one, so we need to pop that on the grid. So I'm going to go across 5, find 5, and then go up to 3, 1, 2, 3, and that one's A. Then B, so I've already got B, so I need to write the coordinates for this one. So let's find B, so I'm going to go across to 6, and then up to 2, and that can be written there. C then, so I've got the coordinates, so I need to draw this one on. So I'm going to go across 1 and up 7, and that's C. Then D, I need to write the coordinates, so find D. So that's 5 across and 8 up. E is 4 across and 6 up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's letter E. And then finally F is 7 across and 9 up. Now for your learning today, if you're doing the 1-star activity, you've got to label animals that have been plotted at different coordinates on your grid. And if you are doing 2-star, 3-star or 4-star, you've got to describe the position of different coordinates. Remember that we go across first and then up along the corridor and up the stairs.